with my little...
Another insect.
Oh, yeah. Now it's starting to feel like a road trip.
Look, the hive again.
Come on, guys. Let's help them out. After all, we are superheroes. Hey, Gizmo, you need a ride to the mechanic?
Sure. That's awfully nice of you guys.
Cool. Hop in. I'm sorry, man. My foot slipped. Okay.
Really?
Whoops. Sorry about that. Hop on in. Okay, for real this time. Jump in. I'm gonna stop this time. Go.
I'm bored again.
Boy, what about all that fun we had?
Perhaps we are not the vehicle people.
Yeah, can we go back to the tower?
No! We are traveling to point B! Now have some car fun!
Uh-oh. Look out. That's my jam.
We're not doing that.
Hey, I was listening to that.
Nobody wants to see your groove on! Take your groove off!
Oh, so you get to control the radio? What's up with that, man? I was about to get my groove on. You see my cake flying there?
Keep out of my face! I'm trying to see the road!
Papa!